So here I am in Usangu Expedition Camp in Ruaha in southern Tanzania, and one of the things that you can do whilst you're staying here is a walking safari to a fly camp that's set up for you overnight. Fly camping sounds worse than it is. It's actually very comfortable, but we're going to be heading out this afternoon to have a look and spend the night in the bush. Just going to have a quick show around in the room. So big, obviously, netting at the front, taking in the amazing views across over into the wetlands. Shower at the back here. And then the loo just around the corner. And then the main reason, right here and look at the views, which you can do when you're sitting down here. Good luck.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, so guys, please, you're very welcome to this beautiful afternoon walk that we are going to do the walk. Don't worry about them, they are hippopotamus. Yeah? Right, so as we all agreed that we are going to do the walk from here to actually the place that we decided to put our fly camp tonight. So there is always a little safety briefing that we go through before we start the walk, so that we try to be safe. And so this is what I'm about to go to start mentioning it. Hello. Hello. This is how I call it. That was it before this.
Santa Sana. Santa Sana. Look at this.
I did not
Just about make it out.
It's raining.